Hello everyone, today's class looks at activities and socializing. Listen and repeat the vocabulary. Horseback riding, cutting the grass, martial arts, gymnastics, weight training, washing the car, yoga, backpacking, Wii Fit, gardening, cleaning the house, sailing, washing the dishes, drawing, playing video games, walking the dog, watching a movie, building sandcastles or playing in the sand, riding a roller coaster, napping in a hammock, watch the stars at night, jumping rope, or in the United Kingdom, skipping, watch the sunset, paintball, have a picnic, playing the guitar, dancing, sleeping, playing the piano, watching TV, smoking, singing. Listen and repeat. Come to the party. Henry is here. What's he doing? He's playing the guitar. Mary and Tom are dancing. And Sue? She's singing. And Peter? He's playing the piano. And Pat and Jill? They're watching TV. What's your father doing? He's sleeping. Listen and repeat the vocabulary. What's he doing? He's singing. What's she doing? She's sleeping. What's he doing? He's smoking. What are they doing? They're watching TV. What are they doing? They're dancing. What are they doing? They're playing football. Listen and repeat. Hello? Hello, is this Ryan? Speaking. Hi Ryan, this is Claire. Hi Claire, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing? Jason is here. We're watching television. Complete the conversation. Hello. Hello, is this? Speaking. Hi. This is. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing? Is here. Where? Choose the correct answer for each image. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.